Hi, everyone! Today we're featuring a Dazuma Outdoor Waterproof Wall-Mounted Lamp. The package includes one accessory kit for product mountings, screws, and one Dazuma lighting unit. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the product base. Please keep the screws in a safe place. You'll need to reinstall them later. Please remove the product base. Place the product base at the intended installation location. Mark the position, and then use an electric drill to drill holes. Hammer the screws into the 4 holes you just drilled. Note that since the wall thickness at our demonstration site is less than 3.9 inches, we are using smaller screws provided by yourself. Please connect the power cord on the product base to your power supply. Then place the product on top. Please install the 4 mounting screws. Please install the product top cover. Please reinstall the 4 screws that were previously removed from the product base. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.